All right, and this video is for you Inspire students. If you have yet to figure it out on your own, then here's how you use matrices on your calculator. So I have an Inspire in front of me, and I need to go to this button, which is right next to the book, right above the multiplication sign. I hit that button, and you have all of these features pop up. You have the fraction feature, you have exponents, radicals, nth roots, e's, log bases, and so on, piecewise, and we go through everything. Now, you do have a 2 by 2 here, you have a 1 by 2, and you have a 2 by 1. I always choose this one, the 3 by 3, and the reason why is because it's not a 3 by 3 only. If I hit go to this and I hit enter, this is the one that asks you how many rows and how many columns that you want. The other ones are pre-programmed. If I were to hit this and I were to go over and choose the 2 by 2 here and I hit enter, it'll automatically do a 2 by 2. I don't get to just tell it how many rows, how many columns. So I always choose the 3 by 3 one. So it asks me, I want 3 rows, I want 3 columns, perfect, I hit OK. And just like the operating system on the 84, the newer one, you have the ability in the exact same way we did before. So the matrix we were working with was 1, and I'm going to hit the right arrow, 1, right arrow, 3, I'm going to go down to the next one, and I have 3, 4, 1. I'm going to go down to the next one, and I have negative 2, 4, 1. And so that is your coefficient matrix. And just like with the others, we need to raise it to the negative first power. So I'm going to hit the exponent button and type in negative 1. And so that is how you would find your inverse. And so if I hit enter, bam, it spit out the inverse just like it has for all the other different versions of the calculator. So I'm going to go back, choose what I typed in, enter. All right, so we're going to look down here now. And so we're doing this, we now need our solution matrix. So I'm going to hit the matrix, well, this button that has the matrices. And this is why I told you I always choose this one. Is because I can hit enter on it, and I want 3 rows. However, I want to down to 1 column. So 3 rows, 1 column, hit enter. And now we can type in our answer matrix, which was 5, down 7, down 10. And so that is the exact same as it was for the 84 with the math print. So if I hit enter on here, bam, there are your answers. Negative 3/5, 104 over 55, and 68 over 55, just like it was for all the other calculators. So the 83 and 84s, they learned that they have the matrix button and they can have the determinant as one of the operations. Now you guys have that ability as well. We can take a matrix and we can find the determinant of it. So I could type in my matrix all over again if I wanted to and find the determinant of it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the features that we did before already. So I'm going to clear out, hit the home page. I'm just going to go to Scratchpad and deal with it here. And so if I want to use a 3 by 3 and I want to find the determinant of it, you would type it in, the same one. And so I could do any 3 by 3 I want. 1, 1, 1. And I'm going to do, let's do 2, 5, 3. And let's do, have some fun, negatives, negative 3, 6, 1. Now I'm going to go all the way to the front. And you have the ability to actually type in the letters D, E, T. So notice it went from italicized when I'm typing in the D, it's italic, E, but as soon as I hit T for DET determinant, it, boom, stops being italicized. And I hit the parentheses, and that says I want to find the determinant of that matrix. And you hit enter, And there you go, there's the determinant of the matrix. So your calculator also has the ability to do determinants. You just type in DET. The 84s have to actually select the word DET for determinant. You can just use your keypad and type it in yourself and hit parentheses afterwards. So Inspire people, that is how you use yours. It's pretty simple when it comes to matrices. And just be sure that you know where the location of it is, again, above the multiplication sign. And you can use any one of these four. I prefer to use this one to go forward.